Hello there, I'm Stephen Poe and I'm going to show you how to make a movie with PowerPoint, and we're going to do this in just a few short minutes. First, open up PowerPoint. We need to get our file in there, and I'm going to open up a little demo file that I've already got loaded up somewhere on this amazing computer of mine, and there it is. Alright, and since I do a lot of work in irrigation, I'm going to use that as an example, and you can see what my presentation looks like so far. I wanted to add one more thing here, so I'm going to click in here and add a title in case you've never done, desert irrigation. That's what I'm going to talk about. And I'm going to go down here, and of course I can add pictures, I can add media, I can do all kinds of things. In this case, I want to go and search for water. So let's find, there's a great picture of a dog right there, a dog getting watered. I'm going to add that to my file. Alright, now I'm going to flip through here, and yeah, this looks like everything I want to have in my presentation. So now I'm going to actually create my slideshow. I better save this out first. So I'm going to save the file just in case I make any mistakes. And now I'm going to go to slideshow and click on record slideshow. Okay, we're going to start the recording, and you can see the little counter up here. It says recording. Got 3 seconds on so far, so I'm talking and it's recording, and I can talk about my paper now, and when I'm done I can go to the next slide by hitting the space bar or the next key. There's the slide I created. This is a friend of mine fixing an irrigation control valve down there with the wiring, modeling his proud results there, and of course he looks really good with that shovel. And there's a close-up of the finished product. Okay, so I've now completed my PowerPoint recording. I need to convert it into a movie. So I'm going to click on stop up here. I'm going to hit escape to get out of the PowerPoint presentation, and that usually takes it back to something like this. And now I'm going to click on it just to see what it looks like. You can see the little symbols in here on each of the pages. Okay, if I press that, it'll should play just that one screen. You see the little counter up here. It says recording. Got 3 seconds on so far, so I'm talking and it's recording, and I can talk about my paper now. Okay, so that looks like it's the way I want it. Everything looks good here. I can still change things around if I want to, or I can add more stuff, but now I'm ready to turn it into a movie. So now I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to click Save As, and this is where we've got to give it the proper format. We're going to go down here and click Windows Media Video, and under Windows Media Video I can say, how about irrigation video, and that's going to save it back out, and I'm going to click Save. Now this gives you a chance to actually go and have a cup of coffee or do something else, because now the video is actually compiling down here, and you can see the little progress bar. If you have a lot of graphics in your video, this could take several minutes for this to occur. In this particular case, it's probably going to take us about another half a minute or so. Or maybe a minute. do, 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 do. That's the theme from Jeopardy or something. There we go. Okay, it's done. So now we can go and we can take a look at our video. So I'm going to go and see if I can find it. It should be on my little demo disc, and it should be irrigation video. You see it's a Windows Media format. You see the little counter up here. It says recording. Got 3 seconds on so far, so I'm talking and it's recording. And I can talk about my paper now. Or the next key. There you go. There's the slide I created. This is okay, so it's all done. I'm going to close it out. It's done. Now I can upload it to YouTube, or I can send it via any other mechanism, but it's in a universal format that will allow that to happen. And that is all there is to that.